Hello, I am Dr. Marytherese Agwara. Today I will speak on faculty members and lecture delivery. Delivering lectures help faculty members to impart knowledge to students within the classroom. Delivering lectures also help faculty members to fulfill their teaching obligations and show effectiveness in their area of expertise. Methods of lecturing in higher institutions differ. I want to make it clear that methods used in delivering lectures in online higher institution is different from methods used in delivering lectures in face-to-face campus environment. Instructors in higher institutions each has different methods of delivering lecture. Available data has shown that instructors' teaching styles can influence students' learning interests and motivation. When faculty members are delivering lectures, they show content and progress to introduction, body, and conclusion. Before an instructor starts delivering lecture, he or she must be in class on time. Being punctual to class is important because it is not appropriate for an instructor to be late. Now, before coming to class, an instructor must have mapped out an objective prior to coming to class. This means that the instructor knows what he or she wants the students to take away from the lecture. Now, after that, the instructor will go to introduction. Under introduction, an instructor introduces the topic. There are different ways an instructor can introduce a topic. An instructor can use an outline, an instructor can tell a story, can use visual aid. The instructor can as well start from a previous topic and link it to the current topic. Anything that can grab the attention of the students is recommended. Now we go to the body. Here the instructor brings out his or her teaching styles, the techniques, the principles. Whatever we help the instructor to present the points well is highly recommended at this point. This is where an instructor showcases his or her skills while mentioning the core content and key concepts of the subject matter with the aim of engaging the students. This is where an instructor shows compelling evidence to prove his or her effectiveness in teaching. Because students do not know the instructor's pedagogical purpose, the burden to show light on the subject matter becomes imperative. Now, after the body, the instructor goes to summary section. Within the time frame of the lecture, the instructor should do a recap on the lecture he or she has presented. This is the time for students to ask questions. This is also the time for instructors to make suggestions for further reading or additional resources, as well as comments on assignments. While instructors are delivering lessons, there are key points they should bear in mind. Those key points can be called elements of delivery. and they are things like the tone. An instructor should mind his or her tone while delivering lessons. Using appropriate tone when lecturing is very, very important, because an instructor's tone can attract or disattract students. Another thing is voice. An instructor should be loud to be heard by the students. Making eye contact can help do that. Eye contact can help you project your voice. Please do not yell or shout. Another thing is the rate of speaking. It's very important, because if you are speaking too fast, it's not okay. Students will not hear you. They will hear you, but they will not understand what you're saying. And speaking too low may make students to start walking away. Some of them pretending to be going to the bathroom will make them bored. Some may even start to doze off. So do not overdo it. Be moderate. Another thing is diction. Diction, higher institutions have diverse populations, so you need to be careful of your choice of words, how we say them, and endeavor to speak clearly. Another thing is that you can, at a point in teaching, you can use pause. You can pause a little bit, and when you do that, it's normally when you want to make a point or transition to another point, or give students time to understand what you have already taught them. So all I have mentioned, all these elements, they help students to be attentive. Now, while delivering lessons, instructors it will be advisable for instructors to have plan B in case plan A fails. For instance, technology may pose a problem. Make sure that you know how to deal with that particular technology that you're using to avoid disappointment or embarrassment or delay of the lecture. Preparing and delivering lesson entails a lot. As rewarding as interacting with students are while delivering lessons, it can be daunting to some instructors. Although over the years lecturing has been criticized, it is still effective. The points I presented today are a general overview of delivering lectures in higher institutions. The information is not channeled to any institution. The information is also limited. Most importantly, the information is subjective. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.